Now let's design our first email. So in MailChimp, you can design an email using a template. Simply view all templates. So MailChimp gives you plenty of opportunities to start with the basic template that you can design. Simply fill in the fields with images, text, products, and so on. Other ones you would need to upgrade to the next package to use. You can also click on themes and use ready to use themes. Obviously, you don't have to use the same images. You can replace the images, but it gives this kind of skeleton to get started with to give us a few ideas. Here you can view your previously saved templates and use templates from previous campaigns once you start sending new emails. I really like that because it means I can have consistent layout for all of my campaigns. So let's get started with just a simple template like this one. Make an announcement, click on it. And here's a preview of your newsletter and possible elements or blogs that you can add. You can change, obviously, customize the style. You can add comments. So this is something new. I haven't got this with my current campaign. Okay, so these are very nice and creative. If they sound too confusing, don't worry, because you can familiarize yourself with these as you go. So this is the place for our logo. So if we wanted to edit it, we'd need to click on the block and now replace an image. So click on replace. And here we can upload the files or drag them to this field. So I have uploaded our logo, so I'll click on it and insert. And here it is, the logo is at the top. I can now link it to the website. So paste the link here, and you can additionally optimize it to add title attributes. So this is alt tag, and simply click insert. Now save and close. Now you can change the title here, and you can add photos in this section. Now I inserted 3 images, I saved it, and below you've got a room to edit text, room to edit another text. If you don't want something, you can delete it, or if you want to change sequence, you can simply drag and drop it below like this. Save and close. You can edit the buttons. For example, you can change the color of the button. Let's say we want pink or blue. We want pink. I like the pink. We can add more rounded corners to the button. I'm not sure if oh yeah, you can see the difference. Add a border. For example, yellow border. And okay, so this is color of the text. Bold or not, spacing, the font, size of the text as well. You can decide to apply to all of the buttons across of the future, well, across of this campaign and future campaigns if you want to duplicate the theme. And at the under settings, you can check whether the button will be on the left, in the center, on the right. Or what I really like to use is full width. So full width button, and then update the URL. You can also change the text. Or alternatively, you can link to email address, anchor link, or a file. When you're happy with it, simply click Save and Close. Now I'll show you how to add an element. So this is very simple. Simply click on element you want to add and drag it to the content. And drop it when you see the field and optimize it, then simply save and close. So let's say we want to add a video at the top. So let's drag a video here and drop it once we see the blue activated button. And we can optimize it now. So let's paste video URL here. Remove the text as we don't need it. And update the style. So I don't like this background at the top, so I'll simply remove it at the bottom. When you're happy with it, simply click Save and Close. And this is how you add a new content, new element to the MailChimp, to the newsletter. You can obviously hyperlink all of these elements and customize your footer. So click on Style, Footer, change color of the border. Let's go for orange. You can add a border at the top, border at the bottom, change padding. You can edit footer text, color of the text, color of the link. So let's change the color of the links too. Let's put maybe something like darker blue so they stand out, so they're not the same color as the font. Okay, and simply click Close. And now let's update the social media link. So click on this field and simply update Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, website profiles. If you don't want something, simply delete it and save and close. And this is how you get started with your MailChimp template. So this is very simple, very easy, and it takes really just a few minutes to create your first email newsletter.